This client has a career that is very demanding of her. In order for her to successfully meet the demands of her career and to make sure she has enough mental and emotional energy to still be supermom when she gets home, she comes to see me often for chakra tuning. In this video, I set my intentions to communicate with her energy centers for the purpose of assessing her chakras and conducting the chakra tuning. Using my pendulum for feedback, I assess her 7 main chakras. I start with the root chakra, which indicated it needed to be tuned. Her sacral chakra, which needed to be tuned. Next, her solar plexus chakra, which indicated it needed to be tuned as well. Then I moved on to her heart chakra, throat chakra, third eye chakra, and finally her crown chakra. And all of them indicated to me that they needed to be tuned. Needless to say, they all got tuned. And she was able to successfully continue her career performance and meeting her own expectations as being #1 mom in her home life. Thank you for listening and watching. Be well, stay blessed, and as always, through love, be a blessing. God bless.